Understanding the phrase, flying the flag, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, flying the flag. This phrase is not just about flags or flying. It's a rich expression with deeper meanings. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday English. Flying the flag typically refers to showing support or loyalty to a group, country, or cause. It's often used when someone is representing their country or group, especially in an international or public setting. The phrase draws its meaning from the literal act of flying a flag as a symbol of allegiance or support. The phrase has its roots in maritime traditions where ships would fly flags to show their country of origin. Over time, flying the flag evolved into a metaphorical expression. It's now used in various contexts, far beyond the nautical origins, to signify support or representation. 1. Patriotic contexts. During the Olympics, athletes are flying the flag for their countries. 2. Corporate world. At the international conference, she was flying the flag for her company. 3. Personal beliefs. He's always flying the flag for environmental causes. While flying the flag is the most common form, variations like carry the flag or wave the flag are also used. These have similar meanings but can add a slightly different tone or emphasis to your conversation. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, flying the flag, and how you can use it to enrich your English. It's a powerful way to express support or representation in a concise and vivid manner. Keep exploring such idioms to make your English more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.